Here we have an inflatable basketball shoot game, and as you can see on the front, that all of this material right here, all of this vinyl has worn down. This is from common wear and tear because this inflatable is 7 or 8 years old, and so after many years of use of kids putting their hands on it, leaning on it, the coating on the vinyl has worn off. That's what is causing this discoloration here, and it is actually worn down so much that it's leaking a lot of air through the vinyl, not even through the seams itself, but just through this vinyl, and it's leaking air so much we actually had to put 2 blowers on this inflatable to get it completely inflated. And because this is leaking so much air, this whole panel is going to need to be replaced, because you can see behind me is the same issue on both of these panels on this one tube, and so the entire thing is going to need to be replaced. And another reason why this issue has occurred is because the vinyl itself is only 7-ounce vinyl. It's very thin. The manufacturer that made this inflatable tried to make the inflatable more lightweight by using a thinner vinyl, but because of that it doesn't last as long. And so we're replacing this panel here with an 18-ounce vinyl, so it's going to be twice as strong. It's going to last them a lot longer, and it's going to be a lot more durable, and we'll show you what it looks like once the panel is replaced. Here's what the panel looks like completely replaced. Like I mentioned before, we removed the old worn down panel and we replaced it with new 18-ounce vinyl, so that the vinyl we used to replace this section is thicker and stronger than the rest of the inflatable. And now the inflatable blows up completely with just one blower in very little time, compared to before where it took several minutes for it to inflate with 2 blowers attached to it. Now it only needs 1, which also is a huge plus to getting this area fixed. But this is going to last them a really long time. It doesn't even look like it was replaced to begin with. And so if you want any information on getting a replacement done like this on your inflatable or any other type of repair, be sure to look at all of the information for the services on our website.